Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. The St. Anne police are searching for the suspects behind this morning's deadly shooting incident at an illegal party in Discovery Bay in which 5 persons were shot, 2 fatally. A visitor from the United States is among the injured. Head of the St. Anne Police, Superintendent Dwight Powell, told our news center that the shooting was sparked by a dispute among patrons sometime after 12 this morning in the community of Old Folly.
Some patrons were at a legal event that was being hosted at a bar in the community when a dispute developed between the patrons that were there. Subsequently, explosion sounding like gunshot was heard. 5 persons were found suffering from bullet wounds. They were rushed to the St. Anne's Bay Hospital, where 2 of them succumbed to their injuries.
The deceased have been identified as 23-year-old Tamara Kelly and 21-year-old Roger Linton, both of Discovery Bay. Superintendent Powell says the promoter of the event is now under investigation and is likely to face charges.
What we see is person continue to breach the disaster risk management in terms of keeping illegal parties. What will happen to this promoter is that he will be brought to books, and every other persons that are in the habit of keeping illegal events for the rest of this year and into next year. Some serious focus and attention will be given around these persons.